You can get paid to write articles as a complete beginner with today's strategy. It works for absolutely free, and I'll give you a free tool to help you with all of the hard work. If you're interested, just make sure to follow me till the end of this video. But before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on if you want to just get notified whenever I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. So with that said, I'm going to start right away with this video. You just need to follow me step by step till the end because you can get easily lost and confused since I'm going to give you multiple steps. And the very first one is to just go over to Google News. You can go over to news.google.com or you can search on Google about Google News and open up the first result. You're going to notice here that they give you a lot of articles related to anything. You have following, US, world, local, business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health category. And what I want you to do is to just choose one of these categories, the one that you like the most. I'm going for the health one just to show you an example, and after that you can see that they also offer some subcategories as well related to medicine, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness, and latest. Then just choose one of these subcategories if you want. I'm going with the nutrition one, and just find an article that you like the most. For example, this one here, 5 worst foods for your kidneys. So open them up and then it's going to take you over to the main website and the main article. What I want you to do right now is to just make money from this article, but you cannot just copy this article and use it to make money because of course you're going to get copyright issues. Rather than that, we are going to use another strategy to make money with it. What you need to do is to just copy the article, but first of all just the paragraph so you can see how it works, and then go over to the free tool that I mentioned even before that is going to help you with all of the hard work. Here you're going to just paste some articles or even upload some documents, and they are going to paraphrase it. They are going to give you a rewritten article with some unique words, and you can just paste it over here and click on the paraphrase button. In the right hand side is going to give you the rewritten paragraph. As you can see, there are some words that are changed and it's going to give you a unique one, so you cannot get any copyright issues. Just go over to this button, copy full text, and then you're going to just do the same thing for every paragraph, and then you're going to collect all of these paragraphs in one document. You can open up a Microsoft Word document or Google Docs if you want to, and then you're going to have a whole new article because it is rewritten in other words. After that, in order to make money with this platform, you need to sign up to these platforms that I'm going to show you today that pay you for writing articles. The first one is called iWriter and it's over at iWriter.com. You can just go over to the write content section since you're going here to come here in order for writing and getting paid, but there are some other people that come to buy some articles from other people. So what you need to do then is to just create an account. You're going to just write your application. For example, you need to put your first name, last name, to put an email address, and then share the links of your LinkedIn or Facebook account. Then you can say that you heard about them from YouTube, your country of residence, and if you are in the US, you need to put the state. Then you're going to write 200 words in English for this following topic. For example, this is about telling more about yourself, which is very simple. Then you're going to just do another thing as well to write something else, and then complete the captcha and click on the submit button. Once you're going to get accepted, you can start writing for them and getting paid again and again. Something else I want to show you is that if you go over to the pricing section up here, you're going to see how much people can pay in order to get something written for them. And you're going to see that it depends on the quality and also the words that that content has. For example, if it has the best quality and 6,000 of words, they pay for $435 for just one article or content. So you can get paid a lot of money depending on the quality of your writing and also on the words that the article has in it. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. As you can see, you can even start as a beginner with 1-star quality and 150 words. You can get paid like $1.4 for an article, and then you can even write some articles that are longer to make even more money. So This was the first platform for today. I'm going to proceed to the next one that you can use for the same purpose. You can go over to textbroker.com and then just select I write content up here. In the next page, you're going to see some information related to you as a writer. For example, it is free of charge, they offer flexible time management and reliable payment. You can start as a beginner or an experienced professional. And then you can see here the payment section. You can see that the better your content is, the more money you can make, and they offer you several payment options. And also you can see that they invest in your success. They give you feedbacks to help you improve your skills as well. So what I want you to do is to go over to I write content once again and select payment, so you can see how much money you can make. And you're going to notice here that it depends on the quality and also how much words the content has. For example, if it has the best quality, of course you're going to make the most money, just like we mentioned even before. And you can even calculate here how much money you can make. And with the best quality and the most words, you can make up to $660. For less words, you can make even less money. So it depends on you. It's still some good money to make here as a beginner, because as we saw before, you can even start as a beginner, and I show you that free tool that is going to help you with all of the hard work. So just create an account for free on Textbroker by clicking on the sign up button, and then you're going to put your profession, then field of study, how did you hear about them, and the expertise. You can choose one of these categories. Then the login information, just like your email address, a password, repeat the password, agree to terms and conditions, and click on the sign up button. And I want to mention that unfortunately this one is only available for the residents of the United States, for you can just use the other platforms that I'm giving you today, of course, if you are from another country. So the last platform is this one here called Scripted. I want you to go over to the Become a Writer section. In the next page, you're going to read some informations and features. For example, you're going to notice that they have competitive pay offered for you. You can write in more than 37 different industries. You can find the one that you want, and then you can work with great companies, build your own portfolio, and you can work anywhere and anytime, since this is available all around the world, and they offer you flexible time as well. So you can see here all of the industries that you can write in, from parenting, home and garden, environment, automotive, art and design, and so on. So there are a lot of possibilities to write different contents over here and make money. Just click on the get started button in the upper right corner and put an email address, your first name, last name, a password, and create your account, and you're ready to start. I highly recommend that you give it a try, because this is an easy strategy to make money online, and of course it depends also a little bit on you and how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.